Guys, I'm here again. I've got a potential new project car. I've just picked this car up from Copart in Rochford. Paid 800 quid. 2007 Audi A3, and it's the 170 brake. So at the moment, it's had a little bump there, so you can tell you need a front bumper, but maybe we can fix that. Let's see. Definitely gonna need a new grille. And it's the S line. So this car was in an accident quite recently. Had the pickup date, but it's been sat for a while. Lost type, it's an accident. It's got a full leather interior. It's got the S-Line branding. It's completely dead. Someone's left their leather jacket in the back. Got a bunch of stuff in there. What have we got here? Got some oil. That's what I like to see. Happy with that. So we've got a full accessory pack in the boot. Just give it a pull, give it a whack. They don't know how you open it. Just give it a whack. It's my favourite part, just going around and looking and see what we've got when it gets delivered. A whole bunch of stuff. It's quite in good condition. Right, let's see if it starts. Let's try this out. Oh, guys. She starts. First time. Whenever I'm getting a new car delivered, I'm always on edge. Just before it comes, I'm always a little bit anxious, just in case there's something that I haven't planned for or something that I don't know. But I love it when it happens like this and it all works out. Let's go for a little test drive. Let's see how it works. Oh. As I've just been over there, guys, I've just realised it's got the Bose sound system. Let's see. Just gonna take a little spin down the road. See how it feels. Guys, it drives like a dream. Now this is one of the good ones that we can get, and it just shows you can get some really good deals on Copart. You can get some cars that it hardly needs any sort of repairs, so to speak, or minimal repairs, and those are the best ones. So let me know what you think down below, guys, and if you're new to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up if you like what you're seeing. It will be a massive help, and stay tuned, guys. We'll be fixing this up, repairing this car on the channel. So yeah, let me know what you think down below, guys. Now I got to walk all the way back to the car park. Ozan, see you later. That's it. thank you guys. We're gonna end the video there. Thank you for watching, and massive shout out to everyone who's liked and subscribed my videos. Let me know how you're finding my content. Let me know if there's anything that you'd like me to do differently. I'm looking for your feedback, guys, so a massive appreciation. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I've got lots and lots of amazing builds coming in the future, so make sure that you subscribe and your bell notifications are on so you don't miss anything in the future.